Hello traders, it's Wednesday, April the 6th, and here is our WMoptions market review for the New York session. Good news in commodities this morning after last night's API crude report showed a 4.3 million barrel drawdown instead of the expected 2.6 million barrel build. Adding to the excitement was a statement by Kuwait's OPEC governor Nawal al-Fuzayya, who said an April 17 agreement just may be reached. Futures shot up by nearly $1 a barrel on the report and are now consolidating in the 37 region for WTI and 38.70 for Brent. Gold continues a downward plight after shortly hitting 12.39 yesterday morning New York time. In reaction, European indexes carefully moved upwards this morning on the oil surge, especially with energy-related shares. Recovering from a 6-week low, we're seeing green across the board as the euro begins weakening. Tomorrow's minutes of the European Central Bank's meeting should determine if we're seeing a new trend or not. Retail sales throughout the zone surprised traders to the upside, and the zone's composite PMI was also up a tick. UK services also improved better than expected, and German industrial production declined, but not as much as expected. Asian indexes were less excited by yesterday's oil count, and shares traded mixed overnight, surprisingly in spite of China's 1% rise in its services PMI. This is just one more indication of an improvement in China's economy as it marches towards a consumer-based society. Yesterday, leaders toed the line set out by the UN Security Council and announced a ban on imports from North Korea. On the list are gold, coal, and other mining products, which make up a large proportion of that country's income. China has also banned the export of jet fuel and other crude oil products. Ahead of today's FOMC minutes, the US dollar climbed out of a 17-month rut against the yen and even pressured the euro downward slightly. The nation's trade balance has reportedly widened more than expected, and economic growth is definitely slowing down. Services improved, with markets PMI up 0.3%, and stock indexes are beginning to recover nicely from a 4-week loss. Still ahead today, IV PMIs for Canada at 2 p.m. GMT and the US Fed's minutes of its last meeting on monetary policy at 6. At 11:30 p.m, Australia's construction index, and at 10 to midnight, a foreign investments report from Japan. That's all for today. Join us again tomorrow for our London session review, and until then, have a wonderful trading day.